One or more photos has been virtually staged. This villa is located in a prominent neighborhood of Palm Harbor. This home features an open floor plan with 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, a bonus room, and a screened-in lanai that has a water view of a canal but is not in a flood zone, while other properties nearby are. Also includes an open kitchen with additional cabinets that are not included in other villas nearby. Natural light is provided throughout the whole floor plan with an atrium in the middle of the home. The property is secured on top with a tile roof that is routinely checked and maintained, along with a block frame and stucco exterior which can withstand any unpredictable weather conditions. All appliances are included and have been recently updated in the past couple years. Owner has a Pentair water conditioner for the whole home. The master bedroom features a spacious bathroom with his and her sinks along with a walk-in closet. Yes, there is an HOA, but they are very reasonable. This includes lawn and property maintenance, clubhouse and pool access, cable, internet and trash, which is a bargain for the price you pay. Community pool is open year-round with salt water and is heated. This home beats your typical single-family home by a long shot, and expenses are kept to a minimum as well. The neighborhood is quiet, very much upscale, and is close to great restaurants, which is very convenient. 4-point inspection was completed in March 2023 and passed with no issues. This home has been owned by a couple that uses the home as a winter retirement.